Hello friends, today we will see how we can get 300 credit from Google। तो जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं हम लोगों ने गूगल क्लाउड पे पहले भी काफ़ी सारे वीडियोस बना रखे हैं, जैसे कैसे हम रूबी ऑन रेल्स डिप्लॉय कर सकते हैं, कैसे हम फेस मार्क डिटेक्शन कर सकते हैं, या फिर हम कैसे एक बिग क्वेरी के डेटा सेट में जियोविज को यूज़ कर सकते हैं, और बहुत ही सारी चीज़ें जो हम गूगल क्लाउड की मदद से हमने करी हैं। तो आगे बढ़ने से पहले मैं आपको ये भी बता देना चाहता हूँ कि मैं एक गूगल सर्टिफाइड डेटा प्रोफेशनल भी हूँ। तो आप ये मेरा सर्टिफिकेट है जो कि मुझे मिला है गूगल के द्वारा। सो आई विल टेल यू हाउ टू यूज़ गूगल क्लाउड एंड हाउ टू अचीव योर ड्रीम्स। तो सबसे पहले हमें एक फ्री अकाउंट बनाना है गूगल में जाकर। अगर आपके पास जीमेल है तो आप डायरेक्टली इस पेज पर जाएंगे तो आपको कंसोल दिखेगा और एक आपको दिखेगा कि आप लॉग्ड इन है पहले से। तो आप साइट पर जाकर या अपने ब्राउज़र पर जाकर टाइप करिए cloud.google.com और hit enter. After that you have to just click on get started for free. But before going forward, let me tell you why Google Cloud is so much progressing. Why is it the leading cloud provider in 2020? Why Google Cloud is surpassing all the other clouds like AWS and Azure for now? Why the growth rate of Google Cloud is top notch, as 8 out of 10 telecommunication companies are using Google Cloud. And you can see automotive, professional, logistics, financial, software, internet, any companies are using Google Cloud. Companies like Vodafone, PayPal, Fidelity, Toyota, LG, which are using Google Cloud. It has around, they are in 200 plus countries, 73 zones and counting. There are like many challenges that you can solve using it, like infrastructure, modernization, data management and databases, security, AI and machine learning, retail, business application problem, and all those things you can solve using it. We are able to deploy applications on Flask, but many people are facing problem that how we are going to create our own account on Google Cloud. And so that's why I thought of creating this video so that all the people get to know how to create their own Google account and use $300 for free. So if you just want to check how much is $300 in Indian rupees, so just go there and type $300 to INR. So it's approximately 22,000 rupees, and trust me, like 22,000 is good amount to practice. You can deploy your site and make it work free for you for a year. So I have also created my own site. As you all know, we have our own site netsetos.org. We have deployed it on Google Cloud and it's absolutely free for us. So we are in process of like giving you details about data science, data structure courses, Django courses and Python courses. So now let's move how to create Google account and how to get $300 for free. You have to just click on get started for free. It will navigate you. It will ask for the country in which you are residing. You can check according to your country, but it will auto populate as we are in India, so we are clicking on India. I will just click this checkbox and I will just click on continue button. So as you can see, Google Cloud to work with $300 in credit to spend over the next 12 months. There are 20 plus always free accounts like BigQuery and Compute Engine. You have access to all Google Cloud and no unexpected charges unless you turn on automatic billing. So you do not need to worry about anything. So basically I will be just giving some information. So I will just click on individual. My text status is registered individual. You can choose anything. If you want to give your PAN number, it's very good. If you do not want, then also it is fine. They will ask for TAN number. Have TAN number, then provide that. I do not want to give the information of PAN and TAN, so I am just skipping it. Then it is asking for some address. So I will just fill address line 1, address line 2. Postcode, state and phone number is optional. So I will be just filling my details. Then you have to give your payment details. So I will just fill here my card details. So after filling the payment details, you can just click on start my free trial. It will take some time for the bill to enable. It will ask for the security code. You have to enter your CVV details here. Click on continue. So it will redirect us to the payment gateway. So you have to enter the OTP and it will charge ₹1. So I will just enter the OTP here. So your first project is ready and you are now ready to use Google Cloud. Now welcome to the world of Google Cloud. Usually it will take around 12 hours to 24 hours to get your account verified. You can navigate to marketplace, billing, API services, support. In the support, you can use chat support, phone support, community support, or anything else. And there is new feature given by Google Cloud is Anthos, in which you can use hybrid clouds like AWS and Azure also, and you can integrate all those things with Anthos. But I will just give you a brief about the main services given by Google, that is App Engine. So as you can see, we have created many videos on App Engine, like how to deploy a Node.js application on App Engine, how to deploy Ruby on Rails on Google Cloud. So all these applications are deployed on App Engine itself. So the next product that is very important according to me is Compute Engine. You can create your own Ubuntu system, own Linux system on Google Cloud very easily. You can use Kubernetes systems, and these cloud functions and Cloud Run are also necessary, but now I will not discuss them as it's a brief description about it. The next thing, you can create your own SQL database. You can use VPC networks also. And the next important thing is BigQuery. Like BigQuery is used as a data warehouse system, which is a SQL based database, and you can use it to process large amount or petabytes amount of data. Next important thing is AI platform. You can see video intelligence, vision in the face mask detection using AutoML. So in the AutoML, we have used face mask detection, and like we are able to create the machine learning model in 30 minutes. You can watch this video and you can create your own game servers. You can use Google Maps. So this is quite powerful. Now you are ready to get all those things. And if you want to check whether all your things are working fine or not, you can always check your billing. So as you can see, 21,407 rupees are being available to us, and 366 days are remaining. So I will just give you a brief overview of our current project also, so that you will be able to know how is it exactly working and how many money is left from the billing account. Sometimes Google asks for your debit card numbers and they want you to upload the JPG image. You need to also take care of. You have to just upload a image of your debit card also to Google. So it's quite safe. So do not worry about that process. So I will just check my Gmail also. Sometimes they send it through Gmail to verify your account. So here they will say complete your profile. So you can fill it. I don't think so it's necessary. Google Cloud is cheap in comparison to AWS and Azure. And if you find any problem in using Google Cloud or any of its services, you can definitely contact me, or you can definitely comment me in the below section. I am always ready to help you. So thank you and keep watching our channel.